Guys, and welcome back to Miss Carasol's classroom. Today we're going to be talking about vertex form. So we're still in the quadratic unit. We're just looking at a new formula. So we are utilizing the vertex form of a quadratic and identifying the vertex from the formula. We're also going to graph from this formula. So first thing I need to talk about is a. So this equation is y equals a parentheses x minus h squared plus k. If at any time today a is going to be positive, the graph will open up. If a is negative, the graph will open down. Also, a is going to be 1 unless otherwise mentioned. X, k, or h, k, x, y. X and y are coordinate points. H and k are actually your vertex. So the x value of the vertex is h. The y value of the vertex is k. And I want you to notice that we have minus h, which means we're changing the sign of h. So vertex 2, 3, we will learn how to solve for a later on this week. For today, a equals 1 unless otherwise noted. So all we want to do is write the vertex form of the equation. So we are plugging in 2 for h and 3 for k. And we're going to use 1 for a because they didn't tell us anything different. So right now we're just going to use 1. And I just plug it in just like that. And that's it. I'm done with that. So today I really am just plugging into the formula, taking out of the formula. I'm not changing anything to standard form. I'm not doing anything else. The only other thing I am going to do is take the vertex out and graph. So example 2, what if we're given the formula? So I want to identify the vertex from the equation. So remember that h, k, remember h is minus h, so I have to switch the sign. So it's actually going to be positive 4 and positive 6. And that's it. I'm just telling, if I'm looking at this equation and I want to know what is the vertex, it's 4, 6. That is my vertex. Okay, example 3, I'm going to use y equals x plus 7 squared plus 8. So first thing I need to look at is I have a plus 7 where h is. That means that h is actually negative 7 and k is positive 8. The other thing is in front of the parentheses, that's where a goes. And if a is positive, which on this one it's positive 1, that means the graph is going to open up. If it was negative, that means the graph would open down. So I'm going to, and a is 1, since this is positive, the graph will open up. So I'm just estimating negative 7, 8. And I'm going to draw my parabola facing up. And this is just a sketch. It's not exact. Okay? So next, what if I am given a graph? I want to write the vertex form of the equation from the graph. So first thing I need to do is take my vertex, which is 5, negative 4. It'll be easier to tell on an actual graph. This was just kind of a sketch of a graph. So y equals a, x minus h squared plus k is my formula that I'm plugging into. This is h and k. So I just want to reiterate that a is positive because the graph is opening up. Also remember a is 1 because for this lesson, we really just want when a is 1. So I'm going to empty out h and k, and I put parentheses, that way I know, and I'm just going to plug in what I know. And you can shorten this out once you plug in. Like I really could just have x minus 5, close parentheses squared, plus or minus 4. I don't have to have the plus negative 4. Like I just did that so you guys could see where I plugged into. And that is really it for today. So good luck, guys.